right, Gracie, what happened today after school?
Mama pulled out my loose tooth.
Let's see it. It's all gone, see? No tooth there. What's going to happen tonight?
The tooth fairy's gonna come.
Yeah. What does she do?
Squeeze in and get my tooth and flies back out. And I might find some pixie dust in my room.
You think you might? What is she going to bring you?
A quarter or a horse, or she will give me the whole barn.
A whole barn? I don't think she can fit the whole barn underneath your pillow. All right, let's see your tooth one more time. Yeah, there it is.
Mama, can I see my turn? Can I see the video, Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Say bye.
Bye-bye.